Evaluate the limit. Here we have limit as x approaches infinity of a rational expression. Since we have limit as x approaches infinity for a rational function, we have to factor the variable x with the largest exponent in numerator and denominator. Okay, let me do it. That is limit as x approaches a positive infinity. The variable x with the largest exponent in numerator is x to the third power. It has to be factored out. Let me do it. Okay, when I factor x to the third power out, to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide each term of this expression by the one I factored out. That is 4x cubed divided by x cubed, negative 2x by x cubed, positive 2 divided by x cubed. The same thing we have to do in denominator. We have variable x with the largest exponent is x to the third power. It has to be factored out. Let me do it. Then we have 5 x cube divided by x cube, positive 2x square divided by x cube, negative x by x cube, negative 2 by x cube. Okay, here this x cube will cancel out. We have limit as x approaches positive infinity. Here this x cube will cancel out. We have 4 negative. The simplification of this one is 2 divided by x square. It cannot be simplified anymore, so I have to write this one as it is. That is 2 divided by x to the third power. Here this x cube will cancel out. We have 5 positive. When I simplify this one, I am getting 2 divided by x. And when I simplify this one, I am getting 1 divided by x square. And it cannot be simplified anymore. We have to keep this one as it is. Okay, now we can plug in this limit infinity for each x over here in this expression. Then we have 4 negative 2 divided by. When I plug in this positive infinity for x over here, that infinity will be squared. When I square a very large infinite positive value, again it will be a very large infinite positive value, that is it will become infinity. Positive 2 divided by the same reason. When I plug in infinity for x and when it is raised to the third power, again it will become infinity divided by 5 positive. When I plug in infinity for x over here, we get 2 over infinity. Negative 1 over, when I plug in infinity over here, infinity square, that is infinity. And negative 2 over infinity to the third power is still infinity. Okay, let me continue over here. 4 negative. Whenever I divide a finite value by infinity, it will become 0. So then we get 0, positive 0. 5 positive, for this one will become 0, this one will become 0, this one will become 0. Because in all these cases, we divide a finite value by infinity, so it will become 0. 0, negative 0, negative 0. So we get 4 in numerator, 5 in denominator. So this is the evaluation of the given limit.